Gutter guard is a term that's used by most people as in regards to any product that protects your gutter. In most cases, a gutter guard is a product that you can buy from a hardware store, and it is generally a one-size-fits-all. Whatever you buy, you try and make it fit the gutter to protect the gutter. And most times it won't be sufficient enough to, maybe for small protection, but in time it won't be long protection. A professionally installed system is made to order or made to suit the requirements of the roof, the requirements of the gutter, what type of gutter it is, the debris that's around it, and lastly, through the environment, whether or not you're protecting it for reasons like fire or to have clean water.